how to embed PDF in WordPress website using Elementor Page Builder. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Right now I am inside the WordPress website, and all you have to do is to navigate through the side categories right here. You want to click on plugins. Now from here you want to search for PDF Viewer Elementor. And you want to look for this specific plugin right here, which is PDF Viewer for Elementor and Gutenberg. This is made by Kazbek Kadalavishvili, and from here you can just go ahead and install this plugin into your WordPress. Click on this button right here and you should be good to go. All you have to do is to go ahead and customize this specific plugin. It's really simple to do. All you have to do is to drag the PDF viewer into your web editor and you should be good to go. There's all sorts of different sliders for you to edit the PDF viewer in your own preference. So if this video has been helpful for you, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next time. Thank you.